Alright, took the PowerShed offline for a couple of days to let it charge up fully and balance a bit. Gotta love the auto leveling function of the Watchmon. Got them pretty level. Now I can see, now that the shunt is reporting properly, how much power is actually going in or out of my batteries. At the moment I have the inverter running the Ethereum miner, and the Bitcoin and Litecoin miners are turned on. Between that and the other fans and things, using about 200 watts. Gonna do a quick torture test with the heat gun here. I figure 1500 watts should be a good torture test. I'll just run it for, say, 30 seconds or so to see how far down it drops. Currently using about 1700 watts. I should say over 1700 watts. And no massive drop-offs immediately, so that's good. As expected, cells 2 and 5... As expected, cells 2 and 7 drop down quickly compared to the others. Those are the ones that have been low the last few times I've gotten deeply down. So, kind of expected. See, it's still pulling over 1700 watts. I'll turn off the heat gun. Watch them bounce back. Delightful. Do that a couple more times. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. One thing I did notice that's kind of interesting, notice how much difference there is between the shunt voltage and the supply voltage. The supply voltage being read at the Watchmon, if I recall correctly. It's amazing the difference 10 feet of 18 gauge wire will make. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.